Many people don't focus on themselves, and without self-focus, real change is not possible. As age increases, especially after 50, life brings many changes. But instead of seeing this as a limitation, you should see it as an important opportunity. This stage can be your last strong chance to truly focus on yourself, your growth, your beauty, and your identity. In today's changing world and evolving fashion, you need to ask yourself, what can I do to create a new version of myself? Start with self-care. Take out personal time for your growth, both internal and external. Work on your grooming, your skincare, hair care, fitness, and even makeup if it suits you. Your dressing style also plays a big role in how you present yourself. All these things are part of self-care. And if you ignore them, life can start to feel dull and repetitive. So it's important to understand yourself, what suits you, what doesn't, and what you truly want. With a proper plan and balanced approach, you can improve your lifestyle and enjoy the life ahead. Fashion trends are constantly evolving, and they can help you attract attention in a positive way. They give you a chance to build a fresh identity. So don't hold back. Use this time to introduce a new version of yourself, with confidence, style, and a renewed sense of purpose.